So guys, welcome back to this another video, and in this video we will be talking about the new smartphones from Motorola, that are Moto G30 and Moto G10. Both models have been launched as budget friendly offerings in the European market, and we expect them launching soon in other markets as well. Both phones are quite similar, except the G30 acts as a sort of plus model with some hardware updates in the display and camera section. Key highlights of Moto G30 and Moto G10 include quad rear cameras, 5000 mAh battery, IP52 rating, etc. Moto G30's base 4GB RAM plus 128GB model retails at €180, that's roughly $270. On the other hand, Moto G10 starts at €150, that's nearly $180. Moto G30 comes in pastel sky and phantom black colors, while Moto G10 will be available in pearl and aurora grey color options. Both the phones will be available before the end of this month. In this video we will talk about these new devices and global launch expected price in other countries. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any future uploads from this channel. Let's first start with Moto G30. It features a 6.5 inches HD plus IPS LCD display panel with water drop style notch and 90Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 662 SoC and comes with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, that is further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card through a hybrid SIM slot. Talking of camera section, the phone features a quad rear camera setup at the back, including a 64MP main camera plus an 8MP ultra wide, 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. At the front we get a 13MP selfie shooter. For power backup, it is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 20W fast charging. Now talking about Moto G10, it also features a 6.5 inches HD plus display panel with water drop style notch, but now with 60Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 460 SoC and comes with 4GB of RAM and up to 128GB of onboard storage, that is further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card through a hybrid slot. For selfies and videos, it also packs a quad rear camera setup at the back. Sensors are similar too, except the main sensor now has 48MP resolution instead of the 64MP of Moto G30. On the front, the selfie camera gets demoted to 8MP resolution. It is also backed by a 5000 mAh battery, but in G10 with support for 10W charging. For security, both comes with a fingerprint sensor at the back, and on the front we get face unlock support also. IP52 rated water and dust resistance is also on both the devices. We get near stock Android experience, and both the devices run on Android 11 operating system. We expect both of them to be launching soon in other countries as well, and could be priced around same in other markets as per the direct currency conversion. But as of now, there is no wording from the company on the global launch of these two. And if you want to stay updated from this and as well as other technology related stuffs, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any future uploads from this channel.